Hey everybody, it's Ryan. This is a quick overview of this toiletry travel bag. All that goes into it, some measurements, and some cool call outs about this. So first call out is the construction. All of the corners are reinforced with this brown leather. The bottom is on here. So this is let's say it's sort of a medium brown color. It's almost like a canvas type material. Quite nice, surprisingly. Surprisingly, I don't usually say that. Surprisingly nice. Also, it's more on the spacious standpoint. Some measurements for you. So width, we're looking at, if this was, filled up full of stuff, is close to about 11 inches by about 6 inches. But then the width on it, I mean, this thing, if you open it all the way up, if you were packing it full of stuff, is the width on it's going to be about 5.5 inches. The leather material is actually really nice. It's got a handle on one side, also has another handle just to make sort of a quick unzipping or zipping up of the main compartment. Has a button here, so this can kind of open up and really make it easy to access everything. The inside is also very well constructed. It has two kind of like just regular drop-in pockets that are a mesh. Then it also has a zip up mesh pocket on this side. Very, very nice. Then you have another compartment here on the main side. This is definitely a waterproof type material. So, toothbrushes or soaps, anything that might potentially leak definitely would go in here, which is a nice call out. So you can keep things kind of like separated to kind of, just in case. On this other foldable outside here, this opens up, and you also have some areas here where if you wanted to hold toothbrushes, combs, anything, these are all individually elastic strapped in. So things can kind of be held in by themselves, all nice and neat. You also have 1, 2, and 3, just a ton of storage. And the storage is not compromising the overall storage, which is nice. Sometimes when you have too much storage, then you really can't put a lot of stuff in there. This really just allows you to kind of open it up and you have full access to everything, which is also really nice. The zippers are also treated with leather hand pulls, which is another benefit. This is a magnetic strap here, or a magnetic button latch, just like that. Very nice. Kind of gives you more of a premium feel to it. And then you have another on the other side, another pouch on this side. Just so much storage. I would say definitely more on the luxurious type of toiletry bag. Full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, tell us what you think. Is this as nice? Is this as nice as we know it is? I got to give props to this company right there. Very, very impressive from a toiletry travel bag. Hopefully all your questions got answered, and we'll talk to you soon.